Okay, so it's time to start thinking about the other elements of the game, such as baddies. So I'm just going to make my game a little bit longer. Let's put this there, etc., etc. So now we need to think of some baddies. So the baddies will be objects. So again, we click over on the right hand side and click on add a new object by clicking plus. Again, it will be a sprite, so we click on sprite, and we're going to call this object, what should we call it? Let's call it slime, S-L-I-M-E. Okay. Add an animation. We are going to click on the add button there. Make sure that you're in Documents, GDevelop stuff, yours is called. Okay. And we are going to look for, scroll down and look for slime walk 1 and slime walk 2 and click OK. And OK again. So we've got our two slimes here. Don't forget that as you want them to change their expressions, I can't see an awful lot of difference in their expressions at the moment, but if you tick loop before we go out of there, you will see our character. So let's now pull in some slime and just run our game, see what happens. Not a lot until I start moving nearer. Oh, there's slime sort of wobbling around a little bit. Okay, so we now want to move our enemy to the right. So the object variable is tied to a specific output. This means variable holds a value that is only available to and relevant to the assorted object. To add an object variable to the slime object, right click on slime, and now we're clicking on edit object variables. Okay, so we're editing our slime here, and it will come up with this box here. Add a variable name, the variable named direction, so click on add, variable name direction, which is D-I-R-E-C-T-I-O-N, okay, and with the value here, because you see there's two boxes, and we'll put in right, R-I-G-H-T, okay, and then you click apply. So now let's see what happens when we press the preview. So let's move along, not a lot's happening. The direction variable keeps track of the enemy's current direction. In a later step, you'll be able to change the direction of the variable, okay, so that's the next step. Okay, so to move the enemy to the right, we need to create an event, surprisingly enough. So we click on game 1, and we're going to click on add a new event. And then we're going to add the text of an object's variable to the condition slime. So add action. So let's go to slime. And it was add, sorry, let's just look for it, might be in other actions, text, add the text of an object's variable, other actions, go to variables,